All right, we're looking at a 2018 Dodge Charger SXT. It's got 4,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It was actually purchased brand new up in Lincoln at the Dodge dealership up there. Traded in here at McKenney, Salinas, Honda. All right, pitch black in color. Go ahead and give you the walk around here. We'll start on the driver's side. All right, it's got your lock, unlock button here on the door handles. Nice blacked out alloys right there. What size are those? 20 inches. Got the deck lid spoiler here. Got the blacked out badges on the back. Rear park assist. Rear backup camera. Dual exhaust. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything is in really good shape on this car. Only got 4,000 miles on it. 2018 clean Carfax. Local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, does have the power driver's seat. It's kind of got the graphite gray black trim. Driver's seat's in great shape. It still has that new car smell in here, guys. This thing is well taken care of. Really nice piece. All right, passenger seat is in great shape as well. All right, it does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. It is an automatic. All right, it's got your climate control area here with dual climate controls, push button start. You're gonna have your backup camera and radio display right there, and we'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got exactly 4,627 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let me get you over here to your home screen. Got your touch screen display here with your radio. You got media, climate, apps, phone, compass. You go to climate here. Change all the different issues, or not issues, but all the different buttons with the climate, air conditioning, heat. You go to apps. All right, it's got all your apps there. All right, go ahead and engage the backup camera. See if I can dim that down for you a bit. There you go, and then you can hear that beeping. That's the rear park assist, which will show up right here in the dash. Okay. And your push button start once again. Dual climate controls. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, one thing I'm going to show you real quick before we go back there. In the center console here, you do have your USB auxiliary and another USB port right there. Okay. Let's go ahead and look in the back seat. Carpet back here is nice and clean. No problem. Got two more USB ports right here. The back seat cloth's in great shape. I mean, this is like getting a brand new Charger for the price of a used one. Really is. This thing is like brand new. Your cup holders that come down here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Carpet back here is in great shape. Got your spare tire back here and the battery as well. Okay, but you can see how much room is back here. There's a ton of space in this Charger. Go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. You got 20-inch black alloys. Really nice looking rim right there. All right, tires are almost brand new. Only 4,000 miles on these tires. All right, once again, it's a 2018 Dodge Charger SXT. It's only 4,000 miles on it. This thing is in mint condition. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It was bought local here up in Lincoln, brand new, traded in down here at McKenney, Salinas, Honda. Come down, check this one out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.